Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Okay, yes. So in the last episode, which letters we have learned? Do you remember? Yes, in literacy subject we have learned letter N and letter O. So once we will do the revision. Okay children, are you ready? Yes. See here, this is capital letter N and small letter N. Night. Repeat after me. What is the phonic sound of letter N? It is N. So repeat after me. Night. Nest. Nightingale. Nut. Okay. This is letter N and the sound is N. And one more letter which we have learned. Yes, very good. We have learned letter O. So what is the phonic sound of letter O? It is O. O, owl. O, orange. O, onion. O, ostrich. O, octopus. Okay children? So we have learned these two letters in the last episode. Okay? So today, before starting with our today's topic, I will show you some objects. Okay children? Do you want to see? I will show you some objects. You have to see and name them. Okay children? So, see here. The very first object is in my hand. What it is? Yes, it's a pot. Very good. And in this pot, what is this? What you can see? What is this? Yes, very good. It's a plant. Plant. Okay. So, you have to do plantation of trees. Okay children? You have to plant such type of small plants at your home. Okay? Very good. So, which object is this? It's plant. Very good. Now, see here, one more object I have with me. What is this? Yes, children? It is purse. Purse. Okay? Purse. See here. What is this? You do writing with this? Yes? This thing you use for writing? Yes, it's a pencil. What it is? Pencil. Very good. Now see this. What it is? Pen. Okay. What it is? It's pen. Very good. See here. What is this? We eat our food in this small plate. Yes. You do your breakfast and all? Yes. So it's a plate. Plate. What it is? It is plate. Very good. And one more thing I am going to show you is, see. What you can see here? Yes children? It's panda. What it is? Can you see this panda? Very good. Panda. And one more thing I have with me, I will show you. Can you see? Yes children, can you see? What is this? Yes. What is this? It's a piano. You like to play with this piano? Yes, you play with this piano, na? Yes children? Yes? Yes, very good. So it's a piano. Piano. Understood? So these all objects, they starts with which letter? What is the sound? Have you all noticed? What is the sound of these all objects? See here. Which object is this? Pencil. Very good. And what is the sound? What is the sound? Pencil. Okay. So today we are going to learn the next letter, that is capital letter P, small letter p. And what is the sound? Yes. What is the phonic sound? It's pa. You have to just join your lips and say pa. Okay? Pineapple. Repeat after me. Pineapple. Paintbrush. Pencil. Palette. Panda. Parrot. Okay? These all pictures, they starts with the letter P and the phonic sound of letter P is pa. Okay. What is the phonic sound of letter P? It's pa. Are you ready now? Take out your pencil, eraser. Turn the page of your textbook. Open page number 5555. Okay. Now I will show you how to write letter capital P and letter small p. Okay. First we will write letter capital P. You have to draw a standing line from red line to blue line. And from red line to this blue line, you have to draw a curve. Okay? Capital letter P. Write fast. Capital letter P. Capital letter P. What is the phonic sound of letter P? Yes, very good children. It's paw. Pa, parrot. Pa, pen. Pa, panda. Okay. Now we will write small letter P. Okay. How to write? First you have to draw a standing line from blue line to red line. And in between two blue lines you have to draw a small curve. Done? Right. Small letter P. Small letter P. Small letter P. And the phonic sound is pa. Okay. One more time we have to write. Pa, parrot. Pa, panda. Pa, pineapple. Pa, pen. Pa, paintbrush. And pa, pencil. Okay children. Now here see below what it is given. Color the pictures that begin with pa. So tell me which picture is this? Yes children. Which picture is this? Does it starts with letter P? Yes. It starts with letter P? No. It's an owl. So next picture see here. Which picture is this? Yes children. Which picture is this? It's a pencil. Okay. So you have to color this pencil. Okay children. You have to color the pencil. Okay. Take out your crayon box and color the pencil. Okay. Yes. Pa, pencil. Okay. After that, next picture, what you can see? It's a parrot. You have to color this parrot. Okay, children? Color it fast. Pa, parrot. Okay? Pa, parrot. These two pictures, they starts with pa. So you have to color these two pictures. Okay, children? Done? Now turn the page. We have to do practice. Okay? Yes. Write the first letter of each picture. So look at this picture. What it is? Pear. Very good. Pa, pear. You have to write pa, pear. Here we have to write capital letter P. Pa, pear. Pa, pan. Pa, pen. Pa, pencil. Pa, penguin. And pa, palette. Done? Write fast. Finished? Very good. Now, you have to turn the page, the next page of your textbook, that is page number 5757. Okay, children? So, what you can see here? Tell me, what you can see on this page? Yes, first we will see some pictures. What it is? It's a question mark. Very good. Qua, qua, question mark. What is this? Who is she? She is a queen. Very good. Qua, qua, queen. Qua, qua, quill. Qua, qua, quill. Qua, qua, quilt. So these all pictures, they starts with the letter capital, this letter Q. This is capital letter Q and this is small letter q. And the phonic sound of letter Q is qua. Repeat after me. It's qua. Understood? Yes. So turn the page, next page of your textbook. Now I will show you how to write letter capital Q. Take out your pencil, sharp it properly. First you have to draw from red line to blue line like this, letter O. Okay? And from blue line, small slanting line you have to give. Okay children? This is capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. Write fast. Capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. And what is the phonic sound of letter Q? Qua. Okay, one more time you have to do practice here in this line. Capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. Capital letter Q. Done? Okay. Now small letter Q. How to write small letter Q? First you have to draw a curve from blue to blue line. One standing line from blue line to red line. And small slanting line from red line to this in between blue line. Okay? In between blue line to red line, you have to draw a small slanting line. This is small letter Q. Small letter Q. Small letter Q. Small letter Q. And what is the phonic sound of letter Q? It's qua. Qua, qua, queen. Repeat after teacher. Qua, qua, queen. Qua, qua, quill. Qua, qua, quilt. Done? Yes. Now see here, what you have to do is circle the pictures that begin with qua. So tell me which picture is this? It's a kite. So you have to circle this picture. No. See this. Qua, qua, quill. You have to circle this quill. Okay? Very good. Complete fast. Next picture is qua, qua, queen. Very good. Qua, qua, queen. Next one is qua, qua, quilt. Okay? Done? Very good. After completing this, you have to turn the page. Have you all finished circling these pictures that begins with qua? Very good. Turn the page. Next page, 59 of your textbook. Here you have to write the first letter of each picture. See this picture, what it is? Quilt. Qua, qua, quilt. Qua, qua, queen. Qua, qua, quill. Qua, qua, quite. Qua, qua, quill. And qua, qua, q. These all pictures, they starts with the letter Q. Okay children? Done? Yes. Now after completing this, you have to open your literacy workbook. Okay children? Open your literacy workbook, page number 2727. Okay? You have to do this as a homework. You have to practice writing capital Q and small q you have to complete the picture of queen and color it. Okay, children? Yes. And one more letter which we have learned today. Yes, children? Yes. Before Q, sorry, I forgot it. Before Q, you have to complete this page also. Letter P. Okay, children? This also you have to complete at home as a homework. Okay? Practice writing letter capital P, letter small p. Complete the picture of a pumpkin and color it. Okay? Yes. These two pages you have to complete at home. Letter P and letter Q. Understood? Okay, students. So, which letters we have learned today? Yes, we have learned letter P and letter Q. So, what is the phonic sound of letter P? It's pa. And what is the phonic sound of letter Q? It's qua. So, you have to practice both the sounds at home. Also, you have to complete the homework, whatever I have given you. Okay? So, meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.